Hello everyone, good morning. It's Alex again. I received a new machine I ordered on Thursday, I think it was. It's a Hoover commercial cordless. It's an upright that actually has onboard tools, and it's a cordless. I've been looking for something that's powerful and that's energy efficient. I know Ricard has like the new R40, the new I'm sorry, the R25. I have a Ricard R25 Premium, but with the energy regulations and everything, the electric's been crazy. And I vacuum every day because of George. I have the cordless Tinacle, and I use that from time to time. But I like something that I would like to have something that's upright and it has the power of a close to a main machine, but I like to have a full-size brush roll, and I hope that the tool used it has full suction like a regular machine. Let's see, we don't know until we try it out and see. We're going to open this now. It's the Hoover Commercial CH919600. It's a 40 volt upright vacuum cleaner. Supposedly it's beltless and it's lightweight. It looks really hefty. Let's see. It has a 2-year warranty on the machine as well. I didn't see any videos on this machine on YouTube at all. I've been checking to see in order to um, see if it's worth it or not. So I was like, you know what? Let me just order it, see how the machine will perform for us, and see what this machine is all about. I know it's a commercial machine, but let's see, because it's commercial, I'm thinking that it will have the suction I want. This is the instruction booklet, and this is how to connect it, but we're pretty savvy. We should be able to connect it with no problem. Let's see, in Jesus' name, let's see. Okay, this is the charging base for the unit. George, excuse me, baby. George, come over here, come, sit down. Sorry, people, sorry, friends. This is the charging unit for the battery. It's pretty hefty too. Let's see. Now, this is the battery. The battery is real heavy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna run the machine because I don't want the battery to get messed up, even though I'm excited. I really want to. Let's see what the battery's at. I'm sure it won't hurt it if we do like a little suction test. I just want to see the suction. I hope that it has the suction that I'm looking for. The machine. I was looking at the Ricard Superlight version, but it doesn't have tools. And then I was thinking another Dyson, but I don't really like Dysons because I don't like the cups. The cups, when you empty them, the dust goes everywhere. I like something that's bagged, you know, and you just take the bag out and you throw it out, and you don't have to worry about it other than like wiping it down from time to time to keep the machine, you know, nice and spicy, nice and clean. George is so curious. He loves the vacuums. My God. Anyway, y'all know. Okay, now let's see what this bad boy looks like. This is the tool, the handle. Wow, this is hefty. Oh my goodness. It's really light though. It's not. It looks really robust though. Look at that thing, right? It's really nice. Uh-oh. This is what worried me, the hose. I wanted to make sure that the hose was long. Wow, the hose is pretty good. It's pretty long. Let's see. It stretches pretty good. It's really wide too. I think this thing is what we have been looking for. Let's see. This is the one. Oh, the dusting brush is not that hard. It's pretty soft. It's like it reminds me of the Hoover Platinum collection. I had a Hoover Platinum collection, bagless upright. I had bought it new. I had it for a little while, but then I sold it on eBay because really it wasn't. I had it in the closet and I really wasn't using it. I should have kept that vacuum because that's like something that I see like everybody's looking at the platinums now. And Mila's, they've been looking at the Mila's. So I wanted something different, something eco-friendly. Let's see. This thing is a beast. Oh, look, it's not that. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wow, it's not really. Right? I've been wanting upright that's cordless too for a long time, but nobody ever made one. Other than Hoover that I discovered maybe like 3 or 4 months ago. And I saw that Ricard has that new one, but I like the Ricards, but I don't know. Longevity wise, I don't know. I really don't know. I wanted something cordless, something that will provide oomph, you know, and be an upright style, because I like when you're using it that you don't have to lean it against stuff. You can just put it on upright mode and the machine is ready to go. Okay, now let's see how to put it together. So far I'm liking it. And this material, look, it doesn't like show, it will show scratches, but it's not as bad as the glossy. I think the glossy ones, I need to order bags for it. Let's see how it works out. Let's look at the brush roll. The brush roll is like a decent, I guess it's like a cordless. The bristles are soft and it has like those carbon fiber bristles for you to be able to clean hardwood floors. I like this too, look, for the dirt won't kick back. And the base plate is metal. That's what I thought, like get something that's, these are plastic, the rear are rubber, the rear wheels are rubber. The back has, I'm liking this already. I'm liking it a lot. It has a full-size crevice tool. This is like suction relief here. I hope that it has the suction we're looking for. Okay. Let's see. Espérate. This goes. I like that it has the dusting brush like that too. Look, you could just go shh, like on the corners, behind the, even on the couch. This thing is really soft. It's not really like that hard. It has a carry handle here. I'm loving this. Let's see how it works. So we put the handle and oh, there's a screw there for the handle. I gotta get that screw out. George, we need a screwdriver. I'm not gonna, should we put the battery in? Screw it, I just put it on and see what happens. Okay? What a beauty. The battery has 1 bar. That's fine. The compartment, look at these latches. These latches are something else. Look how strong. The bag is big too. It's a HEPA bag too. Look how nice. I know it has a HEPA filter too. I don't know how you get it out. Well, this way. I'm gonna show you. It's hard to take out because it's still new. I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. It has like a round HEPA filter, maybe the size of that, and this round. That goes like this, right? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Like that. Like that. I like that you don't really scratch it. Like, you know, it's like a nice material. I like that a lot. Okay, now let's get a screwdriver real quick and get this handle going. I like it. Let's see. I got one of these Hoover Platinum collections. I like the look of these Platinum collections a lot. But these vacuums, they work good. They're really nice. And they're quieter than the Riccar Superlight. Well, I had the gray one, the gray older version one. I'm sure the newer ones are quieter. But it works good for carpet. Like, but the only thing, the tool use. I really like the tools. I need the tools because of the dog hair. Let's see. I'm gonna put this bad boy together now. Taking that handle off. Oh, the nut went flying. And here has like a nice bolt. The nut. Okay. Put the handle. Oh shit. Okay, it's off. I don't like the way it sounded. It sounded like dinky, right? We'll see though. Let's see. Let's give it a chance. Okay. Handle is on. Now, the thing up in here, I think. Right. I don't know how this goes. Like that? Yeah. Oh, you can leave it on dusting brush mode. No, you can't. It looks really cool, right? Oh my god. Let's see now. Let's see how the suction is. Oh wow. That's great. That's really good. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Doesn't this have like a quiet mode? And even on low, that's a good, oh wow. I'm shocked. The suction is really good on this thing. You wouldn't believe it. Wow. It's a really nice machine. I really like it a lot. It looks really good. So that's the Hoover commercial. The Hoover commercial brushless motor system with Glide Force technology. It has an 8 milliamp battery. The suction is nice. The suction is impressive. Very, very impressive. It's built tough too. I don't really batter my machines, but it's nice to, you know, you paid for something a certain amount and everything clicks nice too. You know, you really want it to last and work good. It's really nice. And that's my review, my unboxing of the Hoover commercial brushless upright vacuum. Thanks again, friends, and enjoy your vacuuming today. I will, but I have to charge this vacuum first before we actually use it. Have a great day, everyone.